Hey guys, Bad Gaming here. Today's service video on the Bissell powerforce helix turbo rewind that a friend of mine had gave me. So this vacuum, recently it does need to be cleaned out, and some reason why is because I'm trying to be careful. This vacuum has a broken handle release, so oops. Yeah, I don't really care. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys why. So y'all can see, yeah, this filter is pretty bad, pretty dirty, and it's gonna need some service. So yeah, so that's what it is. And also, when I turn it on, it sounds like there's a clog. So I checked, there was no clogs. Well, it was a clog at first, but yeah, and also it sounded like it needed a new belt. So yeah, that's what it is. So yeah, so this is gonna be part one of taking apart the machine, and it's gonna be reassembling. No, part two is gonna be washing, and then part three is gonna be putting back together. So this is part one of reassembling the Bissell powerforce helix turbo rewind. So without further ado, let's get started. there you guys have it. I tried to get this little piece from the switch to get it off, so yeah. Now, there is one problem. I was trying to work on that cord rewind right there, because I was going to try to replace the cord, but apparently I have no idea how to replace a cord on a cord rewind on one of these. And the problem is that this little spring right there, like, it's like when I took this part off, it spins so fast everywhere, and I try to like rewind it back and it didn't even work. And I have no idea how to work on these, and I don't know how to work on it. So if any of you guys have any ideas on how to work on one of these, like how to replace a cord on a cord rewind vacuum, so like I just need some help. So yeah, if anybody has, like, if anyone like has a vacuum that has a cord rewind and knows how to work on one of these, just let me know. So yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this stuff, so it'll be part 2 of me washing it. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys all later. Peace.